Hello guys. Welcome back to a new lesson today. Today you learn how to make YouTube automate in minutes with n8n and save channel data to Google Sheets. First, you have the manual trigger that will start the workflow. That's the manual trigger that you learned in previous lesson. And this is the YouTube channel node. Okay, here you type YouTube. Okay, and get a channel. This is the function. Get the channel. Okay, let's delete this now. Okay, and here what you have to configure your YouTube account, that you need to, on the YouTube account you will need the client ID and also the client secret, that you'll need to go and see what's them and complete here. After that you need to sync with the Google account and the YouTube is configured. Okay, on the resource, always choose channel for this lesson. Operation get, because you want to get all the essential data about our YouTube channel ready to use in our workflow. And the channel ID, you need to complete also the fields here. You choose ID to get the channel ID, and the snippet you will choose, because the snippet will give the basic channel info, the title, the description, the publish ad, and the thumbnails. Let's execute to see. Okay, Jason, you see here the ID that you put on this field, and the snippet that I told you, you will get the title, the description, the thumbnails, and the publish ad. Perfect. Okay, now you also need a, a Google Sheet node to save your data from the YouTube node. Okay, for this you need to open a Google Sheet. Let's create a new spreadsheet. Okay, you need to put the column from the YouTube channel I have here. So the channel ID, let's copy. Okay, next is the channel name. Next, description. Publish ad. And the thumbnail URL is the last column. Okay, let's rename this day 1. Okay, and now go back to our workflow. So here on the Google Sheet account, also you need to connect the Google account, the client ID and the client secret. After that, on the resource, you will choose this sheet with documents. After that, append row, because you want to put the details just in one row, not to update row, only append. Okay, and here you need the document to choose by ID. So our document ID is this, starting after D and finish near edit. So you type this here. Okay, and you see, if you click here, we'll go to our spreadsheet. Okay, after that, let's select the sheet. So you have the sheet, you choose by name. You can put our name is day 1, or also from list. Let's choose, and you see you have here day 1. Okay. Also, you need to map each column now manually. After you enter the spreadsheet, you will have the column channel ID that I type here. Okay, so here on the channel ID, we will put this expression from the YouTube to get the ID. You select here expression and type here. Okay, on the channel name, put this expression, the snippet title, also expression, not fixed. On the description, we put this here, also expression. Okay, publish that to see the time. Again, expression, and finally the thumbnail URL. Let's copy, paste. Also expression. Okay. Now you see here you don't have nothing, and after execute, let's wait. All the column was completed. So here avem the channel ID, channel name, the description that I have on my channel, the date that was published in the channel, and the thumbnail URL of the channel. Let's open this to see exactly. And you see n8n from 0 to hero. Okay, let's close this. Let's close. You see, execute the overflow. And if I go again to the spreadsheet, you'll see again we have put it the channel ID. You see here automatically, and execute. We wait, and again every time we execute we'll append a new row with the channel details. Okay guys, that was all for today. So today you understand how to write the data automatically into a Google Sheet, and that fetches your YouTube channel details, the ID plus the snippet. Thank you for your attention. See you in next video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.